Hey guys, I'm Deshaun Hollywood and I'm back with another dope video. And today's video is really lit because I am going to be giving you a high bun top knot tutorial. So many people are always asking about my iconic top knots and how I get them the way I do. So of course, the wait is over and I filmed you guys a top knot tutorial. So, if you want to find out what happens at the end of this video and how I get this sleek, sickening top knot, then you already know what I need you to do. Keep watching. Hey guys, I'm Deshaun Hollywood. If you didn't already know, your favorite bad bitch. And today, it's really lit. Alrighty guys, so for this you're going to need a white tooth comb and a rat tail comb, as well as a wet brush, because it's really going to help you pull the ponytail tight. And then you also need a regular brush because it's going to help you to smooth everything out. This tutorial requires 2 scrunchies. It can be one small one, one big one, or they can be the same size. Next, you're going to need a couple of bobby pins for flyaways and also pinning that perfect top knot into shape. You need a toothbrush for smoothing out those edges, honey, because we all need laid edges. And then lastly, you just need your choice of an edge control. I prefer to use this one. So now you're just gonna see me, putting a part down the middle of my hair, or just making sure that it is very defined, because the part just truly helps you when putting it up into the ponytail, like so. As you can see, nice and straight. So the next step is to take your white tooth comb and literally just start brushing your hair in combing your hair rather in a upward motion. Literally from both sides. Again, the part is going to help it stay separated, but still bringing it together all at the same time. You want to get from the back to the front, from each different side, and pushing it all to the top and forward. As you can see, after I'm done combing, I'm just really going to grip the ponytail, and that's when I'm going to grab the brush to start smoothing everything out so that the ponytail is as sleek as it possibly can be, because no one wants a raggedy all over the place ponytail. Like, that is just not cute, sis. So yes, as you can see me making a crazy face, I am pulling very, very tight and brushing at the same time. And again, pushing it all to the front. You can do it directly in the center, or you can push it to the front. I prefer to have mine in the center, but it's totally up to you. So now I'm just showing you that you see me smoothing everything out on both sides. This is what it looks like before you go and add your first scrunchie. Now I'm going to take the first scrunchie and I am just going to literally wrap it around as many times as I possibly can, because this part needs to be very, very, very tight. This is the base of your ponytail and what is going to build the top knot. And I'm pulling it very tight. First, I do it down the side, from the front, literally just pulling it as tight as I possibly can. So now you're going to see me just to start separating the ponytail so that it is evenly distributed throughout my whole entire head. Like, I want hair to go from the back to the front, and then take your other scrunchie, grab the ponytail, and start to form a knot, a bun, what calls you, Open up the scrunchie and then put it over top and twist while you're putting it over top because it's really going to give you that top knot look. I'm so sorry that you guys can't see this part. I must have cut it out of the camera when I was physically doing it. But now I'm just taking the flyaways and I'm wrapping them and piecing them into whatever direction that I want them in. So some in the front, some in the back, hanging off the side, etc. Now we're going to take the bobby pins, and not only are we going to pin the bun, but we're going to start pinning down these flyaways just so they're a little bit more tamed. My hair has gotten a little bit longer, so they are all over the place, but it's okay. We're just taking bobby pins and pinning it all up in the front and the back from the side is what I'm trying to show you guys here. And you're going to notice when you're doing your bun, you're going to see where it needs to be pinned. If your bun has any holes in it, then you should smooth it out and pin it. That's what I always do. And yeah, just put them in any direction that you want them in. As you can see, I'm just going in and adding more bobby pins as I see that I need them so that this can be a really cute, sleek top knot or high bun, whatever you want to call it. So now that all of our flyaways are pinned and our bun is sitting as high as we want it to be, it's time to get our edges together. We need to grab a little mini flat iron or a big one, whichever one you have, and just start smoothing out all of those flyaways. I love like a ninja top knot look, so I usually always pull mine like straight as possible, especially those two pieces, and then I'll separate them. And then other ones, I like to smooth it all the way to the top. Usually it sticks right up. And then if I have any longer ones, I will just regularly smooth them down. Just like that. Now we're going to get the edge control. Honestly, the edge control makes the top knot because it just makes everything look so crisp and well put together. I'm going to use probably about like this much to start, and I'm just going to start putting it on all of my edges, like smoothing it out. Literally, I'm just placing it on there until I get the toothbrush to actually, you know, give me the swoop baby hairs and all of that stuff. Taking my rat tail comb just to give myself a little flyaway down the side. I love doing that with my buns. I don't know why. I just think it looks so cute and well groomed. You see me adding more edge control to the other side and just smoothing it like I talked about before. You can use as much edge control as you want. I try not to use that much, just literally for the edges and like taming it because I don't want my hair to get too hard. Again, more flyaways, putting them out. And you can either flat iron the flyaways, or you could go ahead and add edge control to them to really smooth them down. For this particular look, I wanted to smooth them down. Now I'm going to go in with my scarf because I need to let this sit for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure that my baby hairs are intact and that everything is lying down as smooth as possible. But yes, make sure that you don't get any of your flyaways because remember, they are a part of the look. So as you can see, I put some edge control in the back as well. You guys didn't see that. So I want it to be secure in the back and in the front. And I mean, make sure that it's tight, not too tight that you give yourself a migraine, but tight enough so that it gets the job done. pulling out any flyaways that I see that I had. Again, smoothing down these, pulling them out if they got caught in the scarf. And yes. Now at this point, you can just perfect anything that you see maybe has any air to it, or if it is just how you want it to look, then at this point, it's just a waiting game. Just wait your 3 to 5 minutes, and I kid you not, when you take your scarf off, honey, the bun is going to be slick, sleek, sickening, okay? Like I said. Okay, I'm literally just playing around with these flyaways at this point. Now you're gonna see me take it off, and ta-da! This is the sleek, chic, sickening, top-knot ninja bun, honey. Oh, yes, daughter. Give the girls what they want. This is a sickening, top-knot ninja bun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this top knot tutorial. That's all I have for you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, stay beat.